Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Perimeter.
What does the dictionary say?
The border or outer boundary of a two-dimensional figure.
Math rap.
The perimeter is the border or outer lines, the boundary that does the shape define. The distance around a 2D shape like a fence, unless on a circle, that's called circumference.
Math rap.
Explain perimeter in your own words. The walls of the classroom are the perimeter of the room. Calculate the area of the perimeter of your classroom. Imagine a school with no walls or perimeters. What would that be like? Name 5 examples of physical perimeters that you can see every day. Name 3 examples of perimeters that are not visible to the eye. What materials can you use to build a physical perimeter around your home or school? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!